Registering a used car in Ontario is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to register your used car in Ontario. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Register a Car Ontario. Navigate to the official website ontario.ca. Here, you'll find comprehensive information on registering both new and used vehicles. Click on the section for buying a used vehicle since we're registering a used one. You'll be directed to a page detailing the registration process. Next, locate and click on the Find a Service Center option. This tool will assist you in locating the nearest service center where you must physically present yourself to register your car. Enter your location or postal code to search for available service centers. Once you've found a suitable center, you can either book an appointment or visit them directly. At the service center, inform the staff that you're there to register your car, and they will guide you through the process. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps, you can easily register your used car in Ontario. I hope you found this guide helpful.